Well, today's video is going to be about the Erzgebirge wooden animals. I had said a while ago that I was going to do a video on them, and I believe I have 38 of them, plus the wooden fences. So I'm going to be showing you groups. I'm going to put them in groups and show you them. I'll show you what sizes they are and some close-up pictures, and I think it'll be a good video and somewhat informative. So let's get to it. I haven't shown you one of my oil paintings in a long time. I did this one probably about 18 years ago. It's when we lived up on Cape Cod, and this was the town that we lived in, and this was our house here, and this is my husband and our son and one of our dogs. We had two, but only one is in the painting. So it's just a little painting that I did like I said, many years ago. I love doing these. They're so much fun. If I ever got back into doing more painting, this would be the style that I would do in. So I thought maybe you'd like to see my backdrop for the video today, and again see one of my paintings. This one's quite large. This one is 26 by 22 by 26. Okay, so here's a grouping of the sheep. There is 8 of them, and they all pretty much are the same. So you can see in this grouping of the sheep, the tallest one is exactly 1 inch. And if we do a smaller one, I would say it's just under 3/4 of an inch. So that's the sizes that they are. And this one is just slightly under an inch. Get in closer so you can see. Okay, that's the sheep. So let's get the next grouping of the animals. Okay, so here's the next grouping of the Erzgebirge wooden animals, and these are the pigs. And if we take a measurement of the tallest one, he is really under an inch, so somewhere between 3/4 and 1 inch tall. And if we do the smallest one, it's slightly under a 1/2 inch. So that's the range in sizes that this grouping of Erzgebirgers are. We have a lot of different colors in this grouping, some with spots, some that aren't. But I'm pretty sure all of these are pigs, given all of their tails are the same, all their ears are the same. So it's a cute little grouping. Okay, let's get the next group. So the next grouping is the cows, and I have 3 of those. And the tallest one measures I would say 1 3/4, which is to the top of the ear. And then the smallest one is, I guess, somewhere between 3/4 and 1 inch tall. And again, they all have the same type of ears and tails and their spots. So pretty sure that these are all the same. Okay, let's get the next group. The next group of the Erzgebirge animal is the horse. And again, I'm pretty sure that these are all horses. Some of them are more easily recognized as that, but they all seem to have the same tail, which is pretty bushy and long and straight. And the 2 up front have, you know, their hair, the mane. These 2 don't. So I don't know if they really are or not, but I put them in this group. And the size of these range from, well, 1 inch, which seems to be quite common in size. And then this one is about 3/4 of an inch. They're so cute. Maybe the last one is a donkey. I don't know. So, all right, let me get the next group. So here's the next one, and I only have 1 of these because I think that this is a deer. It has the white area on the chest, and then also there's a white area in the rear area. So I think I'm going to call this one a deer, and measures 1 inch. Plus the tail, I think is another indication that this is a deer. Okay. So here's the next little grouping, which is 2 little chickens, maybe, or I don't know. I guess I really didn't think about much about what they were. Tell me what you think. But I don't know if it's a duck or a chicken, or let's see what the size is. So I would say definitely 3/4 of an inch. Okay, let's get the next one. Okay, we have another single one, and I guess I'm going to say that this is a steer because of the horns on his head. And I'm sure he's probably going to be 1 inch as well. Yes. So another inch Erzgebirge wooden. Okay. I think I have one more grouping. Okay, so here's the last grouping. And I think I'm going to say that these are dogs. Except for this last one to the right. I'm not sure, but I've included it in this group. They all have collars, and all their ears are similar. All their tails are similar in some way, you know, to if we were looking at different dogs. So, and I guess, you know, the spots that are on them, they really don't match up to anything else, any of the other groups. And this last one, I really just don't know. But let's take a measurement and see what the little dogs are. They're going to be short. So they're 3/4. Yeah, with their ears. This one here, right here, is a little bit shorter than this one over here. But they're cute.